Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to be doing another Animal Crossing video for you guys. Today I got my first Amiibo card in the mail. Super basic. It just says the person's name on it, and I thought it'd be really fun to make a video using an Amiibo card for the first time. I've never used one. I've only watched one tutorial about a month ago on how to do it, so I'm gonna wing it and we're gonna see if it works. But if you watched my villager hunting video like 2 weeks ago, I think that's when I put it up, I talked about how I love Flora. She's the cutest little flamingo. I think she's a flamingo. She's so cute, and I really want her. So we're gonna try to get her today. And I've never used an Amiibo card, so let's see if it even works. And I wonder if I can even do it. Yes. Okay, so I'm taking this. Yes! That's so cool! All I did was touch it to the thumbstick. Oh my god, she's so cute! Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, let's go see her. My little Pinky. If that's her nickname, that's so cute, or her catchphrase or whatever. Alright, let's go see if she's there. Again, I've never done this before. I don't know if this is how it actually works. I'm so excited. Okay, so she is here. Oh, so excited! Let's see my girl. Oh my god, is she holding a freaking sucker like a lollipop? Oh my god, she's so cute. See how many times you gotta talk to her. I'll make one for you. So I've heard that like you have to like do it 3 days in a row, and then each day she gives you a DIY, and then you have to give her the DIY like made. Pretty sure I have this, but let's see. Oh, I don't. All right. All right, what do I need to make 3 cardboard boxes? Cardboard boxes. Okay, let's go to my house. Doing this for you, Flora. My goal is to kick out a villager tomorrow or the next day so I can film a villager hunting video in 2 days. Okay. Yep, here you go. Bicycle helmet. Okay. I think that's all we do. I think. And then we gotta jump to tomorrow. Save and end. Alright. So let's go back to over here and see and invite her again. Oh, I wonder who my visitor now is. 'Cause it was labeled yesterday. Didn't even get to talk to her. We do the exact same thing. So I've got my Amiibo, and then we just put it. There we go. Yep, let's do it. Oh my god, she's literally so cute. Ugh. Okay, let's go see our girl. My best friend Jade, who was in my video yesterday, she's gonna be so jealous that I have the cutest little pink villager. What the fudge? Uh, that was awful. And I probably should have exited really quickly and done that whole thing where, like, I could have kicked out someone else. I should have done that, and now I regret it because I need to get that stupid Kurlos meatball out of here. But, whatever. Marina's like my favorite, so she's not going anywhere. If I let her go, I would just get her again. Okay, let's see. What are we doing today, Flora? I think this whole process is so random. Like, why do they give you DIYs? God, she's just so freaking cute and colorful. Do they give you DIYs you don't have? Is that the thing? Oh, hardwood. Oh, that's a cute table, too. Okay. Let's do it. You, at the end, I believe, again, this is my first time doing this, I believe that you can choose who she asks to kick out. So, like, when you get, like, a normal campsite villager, it's, like, random. They'll decide for you who they want to ask to move out. But I like that with this method, you choose who they kick out. That's the best thing about the Amiibos. Because then I can choose who she kicks out, and it's not, like, one of my favorites that she kicks out if it were, like, a normal campsite villager. A noble zap suit. Back to the grind, you know. Okay, so it's saving really quick. And then one more day, and then she should be down to move in. Alright, invite camper. Yes. I'm so excited. I am 123% sure I wanted to go there again. Okay. Is there anything in here? Camo wall. It's like my 5th camo wall. None of my villagers even have that kind of wall. Maybe because it's in the recycling. Alright. A shell bed. I do have this DIY, so I'm going to give it to one of my friends. But let's go get her one. Hey. Okay. I did make it. Here you go. Imitation cow skull. Why not move here? Okay, she's going to ask someone with resident services. Oh my god, she's so cute. I do know someone. Bye, bitch. Bye, meatball. Yep. I'm so excited. I hate him so much. I like can't even talk. I'm like so mesmerized. Oh, yes. Okay, so let's go see. So now that she's moving, let's go see that home that she's going to take over and see if it says like Carlos is gone or whatever. Over here. He's already in boxes, I think, actually. Let me see. Yes. Okay. Welcome, Flora. Wow. I would honestly say that that's the cutest house on my island. Okay, let's go say hi. Okay, so now she's moving in. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, well now I have to jump another day just so we can see what her house looks like. And then we can go back to real time. Okay, good, she's home. Oh my god, what a weird ass house. That's so weird. Like the floor and like the walls and the flamingo's cute, but like the rest. Wow, this was so much fun. Oh my god, those fucking dogs. Well, sorry about that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it was helpful. It wasn't supposed to be a tutorial, I guess, but it kind of was because I had never done anything like this before. And definitely worth it, especially if you're trying to kick out like a specific villager like I was, because I was trying to get Carlos out of here. That ugly meatball. But other than that, that's kind of all I've got. Like, I'm really happy I did it, and I definitely recommend it. And if you guys like the Animal Crossing videos, please let me know. I'm having like such a blast making them. They're so fun to make. And I will see you guys next time when I upload a new video. And yeah, okay, bye.